Thank you. I'm Manish Shamji. I'm Sales Director for TCP Wave India, and we are conducting CTO Town Hall event where we are expecting more than 30 CISOs, Chief Information Security Officer from multiple organizations based in Hyderabad and other cities of the country. And we foresee a good potential of showcasing TCP Wave's technology in adoption of DDI, ADC solutions for their enterprise framework. We would like to become their trusted advisor and vendor for DDI and ADC solutions, and we believe in giving a best of breed technology by mitigating the cybersecurity risk and improving that overall TCO of the solution. Okay, so we are going to have speakers, SME speakers from DNS, DHCP, IP address management, ADC solutions. We are also having some of the industry leaders and who are going to talk about cybersecurity trends and why this type of solutions are very much required for enterprises today. Okay, cybersecurity is an integral part of any business today. What we see that any enterprise who are doing any business, whether it's a B2B or B2C, needs a digitally enabled landscape. Now, whether you are a bank, whether you are a fintech, manufacturing organization, you need to interact with your customers, partners, vendors in a digital form today, which essentially mean you need a next generation of cybersecurity solutions to mitigate your all possible cybersecurity risk. Now, if I want to name a few risks enterprises are facing today, one of the biggest risks is going to be a data breach. Another risk is a ransomware, identity thefts, application outages. So all this and the list goes on and on. Now, majority of the enterprises are under cybersecurity attacks, and they need to deploy multiple cybersecurity controls, and where we can help in automating all those use cases as well.
I'm Sam Parepalli. I'm the co-founder and CIO of TCP Wave. So today we are going to discuss about our company's roadmap. My CTO, Murli Sappa, will be talking, and also our architects will be talking about various USPs, what we have, what are the features, and we are doing a lot of things in AI, ML, and ADC solutions. So all those will be discussed today. So I just want to add that we are tying up with a lot of universities, so that the graduates, with all the demand in cybersecurity professionals, they can get trained and be prepared in the years ahead.
Hi, this is Murli Sapa. I'm the CTO for TCP Wave. This session is going to showcase our technologies, right? That's one thing. And we are also looking at collaboration, right? Basically to like-minded vendors. We want to have a bit of collaboration there. That's one thing. And we also are going over our roadmap where we show how the infrastructure can be fortified with our AI/ML based security solution. That's the thing, right? Today we'll be covering a couple of things, right? One of them is what is our product, how is it, what are the unique selling points of our product, right? The differentiators, and also the roadmap ahead. On top of it, there are a set of new features that we have introduced recently, including ADC, where application delivery controller, right, with the load balancing at the global level. So this one again with the AI/ML based web application firewall. So we are going to show all those, talk about all those things, and then that's in general.